30 days ago, I started a new Shorts channel from scratch. This video is everything I did in the first 30 days to gain over 250,000 views. I will continue from the day 8 because I already posted video about the first 7 days. On the day 8, I immediately started to improve everything I could. I listed all of the sources that can get traffic to my channel and thought about how can I max the traffic for each source. These are all traffic sources you have. I will skip all of these because they don't have big impact on the views, but when we optimize all of the others, these will get optimized too. Let's start from Shorts feed. Creating a Shorts that your audience will watch. Make it easier to go viral because retention will be higher, which directly impacts the virality of the short. That is why you need to research a niche to know what people enjoy and then you apply it to your shorts. I explained how to research a niche in the last video. Watch it after this one. Next is YouTube search. There are 3 things you need to optimize for YouTube search: title, thumbnail, and tags. Let's start from title. I like to keep it up to 3 words just to make simple explanation of the short. If my short is about best goals in football, my title will be best football goals. First, it is simple. Second, it explained the short well. Next is thumbnail. Title and thumbnail always go in the same bucket. For example, if the title is funniest football moments, I put the funniest moment on the thumbnail. That way, they go together with each other and bring more viewers to the short. If you want to change thumbnail, upload short from the phone, because there isn't option for that on computer yet. Now, let's talk about tags. Many of you asked me on the last video, does tags and hashtags really matter? I say yes. If you want to optimize it for the search traffic. I added the tags to my shorts to make it more search optimized, which means I can get views from search results. And it worked. I used vidIQ to help me find the best keywords, but you can always go the harder way by using your own keyword research. I want to make your YouTube journey easier, so I contacted vidIQ to give you discounts on their platform so you can save some money on Boost and Pro plan. They created 2 coupon codes. First, you can get 90% off your first month if you use coupon code THINK. Or second, you can get 2 months for the price of 1 with coupon code shown on the screen. Now when we optimized all of this, let's see how that impact other traffic sources. External traffic is traffic that come outside of YouTube, which means that someone shared your short. Let's use logic here. If you make engaging short, more people will like it, and some of them will share it with the others, and that will boost external views. When you optimize thumbnail, channel page traffic will have more views because when someone watches your channel, they see only the thumbnail. They see the title too if they watch on the PC, but most of the traffic comes from the phone. If you choose a high competition niche like I did, make sure that you research that niche really well before starting a channel, because otherwise you will get no traction on your short. It means that niche is oversaturated and that you can't deliver random content in that niche. You need to deliver what people want to watch. I tried to stay with my promise of daily uploads, but I missed a few days. When you are starting out, your retention won't be very high because YouTube still don't know whom to show your shorts. But as long as you upload them, they will have more content to push. And when you get one short to go viral, rest will follow. I will keep uploading until I get that one short, and I suggest you too, don't quit too early. On the day 16, I made a significant change. I decided to stop editing in After Effects and I switched to CapCut. I tried to keep length of every short around 30 seconds because that is the average length of YouTube shorts in this niche. I would only go longer than that if I already have established audience. On my other shorts channel, length of the short doesn't matter anymore. YouTube found audience that enjoys it. They will watch if it is either 10 seconds or 50 seconds. And I am looking forward the same situation for this shorts channel. On the day 24, I noticed something weird. When I upload at a different time than usual, shorts need more time to get that views spike. I tested it multiple times to confirm my theory, and I was right. There is some audience that YouTube found that enjoys my videos, and when I uploaded my video at different time, it just meant that they weren't pushed to the audience at the right time as usual, so it would take longer to reach them. For example, I always uploaded at the 1 p.m. in my local time zone, and I usually got that spike around 7 p.m. When I uploaded at 6 p.m. to get the spike at 7 p.m. Instead, I got that spike in 5 a.m. It is because audience is still not that wide that I can post whenever I want, so stick with one schedule for posting. YouTube is always in the process of finding the right audience for you, so if you get lower views now, Don't worry, your time will come. Now, let's see the results. Views were pretty stable, averaging 8K views per day, but this time peak is 21K views in one day. In this period, I got only 269 subscribers, which means that conversion from viewer to subscriber is still low. But I know that reason behind it is high competition niche, and I am confident that I will continue to post to break in the niche. I will always keep telling that you are always one short away to your success. When you look from that perspective, it is much easier to keep going. Let's take a look at retention. Retention averages between 70 and 80%, which is good, but I know that it will be much better. Let me show you example from my other channel. Retention averaged from 60 to 70% per short, and now YouTube analytics show that retention is lower than usual when it is 85%, because now it averages at 90 to 95%. My best achievement in this month is that few shorts gained good amount of views. First short I uploaded got 77,000 views, while the second one got 56,000 views. View to swipe ratio is not so bad for this amount of views. It is important to keep posting even if you get low views. If you don't quit, you have some chance for success. But if you quit, your chances drops to zero. Change your perspective and you will change your results. After 30 days, everything went up and down. And if you want to see how I fought those ups and downs, stay tuned for the next video.